Candy, sweetie, it's bath time.
Yikes! Hi guys, my name is Fendi. And since I'm sitting here getting a little TLC from my owner, I might as well tell you a story about the house cleaning company we use all the time. It's called No More Cleaning, meaning no more cleaning for you. It's located in Palatine, Illinois. This company has several different cleaning services to fit your household needs. You choose bi-weekly or monthly plans. They offer fixed rates for recurring customers. And guess what? My owner really loves this company because of the pet deodorizer they get to use all over the house. And I almost forgot to tell you, they are pet friendly and they only use eco-friendly products. My doggy world and my humans. Wow, this is living.